So when the water vapor actually makes its way into the exhaust system, the O2 sensor reads that as a lean condition, then it sends that signal over to the electronic control module. And because the electronic control module is always adjusting the fuel-air ratio, it communicates with the throttle body, idle air control valves, tries to readjust that fuel-air mixture back to 14.71, and then it just keeps going in a loop, and it just keeps causing problems, mainly because the electronic control module in these 1984 Corvettes they're not the fastest processors in the world. It's a little slow to respond to rapid changes on signals, so that creates a problem right there. Factory service manual doesn't go into a lot of detail about it, but it does mention it, and it is a much bigger problem than what the factory service manual relates. But like under 6E248, fuel contamination, water, even in small amounts near the in-tank fuel pump inlet, can be delivered to the injector. It causes a lean condition. It doesn't go into why it causes a lean condition. 6E255, check fuel supply system for water in the tank. Again, over here, water contaminated fuel. If you're getting a check engine light flashing in an open loop,